And renew work is anything that goes on in the facility while it's in operation. And it's significantly different than the new construction segment. You're working in an existing facility, it's in operation, you got to deal with shutdown periods, you got to protect equipment, and we can be very, very nimble in developing those solutions for them on a custom basis.
I see Renew and the Food Safe Drainage Evaluation Program being an extension of the Alliance Partner Program. The Global Drain Technologies Alliance Partner Program was created for our customers who needed a turnkey solution. They didn't have contractors in place. They couldn't self-perform drainage installation. It's difficult and messy work. So they were asking us for contractors. Anyone knows in these, especially a food facility and many other facilities, they're operating many times 5-6 days of the week. Some of them are nonstop and have designated shutdown times. So planning is essential. And we can recommend alliance partners in their region who can come to their facilities, help them evaluate what their issues are, come up with a plan, and then execute it for them. And they don't have to think about it. They can trust that the contractor is qualified, can do all aspects of the work, and leave the facility better than it was before.